Hello freedom traders, I'm back again with a new video. Today we're gonna do same thing. As we all know, trading is about practice, practice and practice before you can be able to master your strategy. So I started with my strategy from the previous videos you can find on my channel. It's been one strategy, though it embodies everything that I do when it comes to trading. So the strategy is just about everything about trading, and I'm trying to make it in such a way that no matter which strategy or sub strategy I can get from that one, it's still going to be the same thing, or whatever whosoever brings to you as a strategy, it's going to be basically the same thing, because my strategy is based on basics. It's just about basics, nothing different. So this is actually my ongoing trade. We are not going to touch it, but as you can see, it's been there. If you go to my Twitter, you see the trade has been there. I called it some time ago. I called this trade some time ago. Yeah, not this one. Yeah, I called this trade about April 25th that I called it out. And as you can see, guys, this is it here. And the same strategy I'm going to teach you now is the same strategy I apply with all my trades, all of them. As you can see, it's going. So it's not only uh, this one as well. As you can see, I called it out too on my Twitter account. Yep, this is AUD USD. This is one of the first pairs I ever called out. So as you can see, guys, when I call them, yeah, this one I called it out. This USD chef, as you can see, it's going euro JPY. As you can see, guys, I called the euro JPY. uh, this is not loading. Anyways, as you can see from here, this is where I called it. And then I mentioned it's gonna come down like this, and then before it goes up. Yeah, I mentioned it will come down before going up, but we can put our buy stops at this level. So then it did exactly the same. It came down, then started going up, and finally it went up and hit take profit. So it's not what I'm doing, guys. It's not something out of the blue. I'm not chasing cloud. I'm actually putting out there what all those big traders out there will not put out. See, these are the updates I was putting out on the euro JPY. These are the updates. You can see every single day. This is the first day I put out the trade. That was April 16. You can see April 16. I said buy euro JPY coming weeks. So buy stop. That was the buy stop I gave. Market execution should be below this level. Yeah, below the 147.250 level. Whenever there is a buy confirmation, then take profit. What was my take profit? One at 148.00. That was my take profit, 148.00. And as you can see, this I kept on updating, giving out other signals, updating, updating as it kept on going. I was updating until guys, it finally sorry, I kept on updating until finally Okay, no, this is the recent one. Either ways, I just showed you the Euro USD as I gave out, I mean the Euro JPY, as I gave out the signal, and it did hit here. This is it here. Yep, you saw it finally hit take profit here. So this is just to say, guys, whatever I'm putting out there, it's real. It's actually something that most people will not do. I'm teaching myself and teaching you guys, and at the same time trading and calling out signals out there on social media. Everyone can see, follow, and get and make the cash. So as I said, um, with this one is actually an ongoing trade. We're about to start practicing, because even minus everything, minus the trades going, I still make sure. I'm having a little bit of problems with the Wi-Fi, guys. This is why you see it's freezing. So minus everything, I still have my trades going. So today you'll be wondering why there is this formation here. This actually tells you you are on the right track when you do everything and it forms like this, because it's not, I didn't do it for fancy. After setting up my strategy, doing my, after I was done with my setup, this actually came up. So, and it was just pure confirmation that I'm on something. So guys, we have to back test. I want us to go with USD CAD. Let's go back in time. This is 2018, 2017. Yeah, let's do 2017. The reason why I hide the charts is so that we don't get biased, so that whatever we are doing should be very clear. So I'm going to teach you my strategy as usual. You might not take it serious now, but there'll come a time I might delete these videos from YouTube, because people only believe in you when they see great things. But when at this level point in time, it will be very difficult for people to actually get the right thing. So let's do it. So usually I will want to start with the weekly, but it's okay, we're gonna do the daily. So first thing, we're gonna change our, okay, so we put our levels, and we change let's change the colors. Let's change the color so that uh, we should know it's practice. I don't want a dirty chart, since I have a trade going on already on the USD CAD. Let's change the colors of our, yep, for our practice, so that when we are done, I will just be able to delete everything. So this is first thing I do, guys. I put the labels. Not actually the first thing I do, but what I do is I zoom, I look at the structure. What is the market telling me? It's actually going down, and whatever it's doing, wherever it's going, I actually don't mind, because I know it will either go up or down. But what I do mind is where I'm gonna enter and make the money. That's as simple as it is. So right now we can see the market is going down. It's too steep for a trend line yet, but we can still manage to put one. So okay, so as you all know, guys, we don't just buy anywhere. We only buy when it's necessary. First we look at where we will enter, then the next thing we look at where we will get out. I don't want to use those big words. I don't focus more on them. I focus on the charts. The whatever the candles are telling me, I follow them. Whatever the price is telling me, I follow it. So it's all about price action. It's all about market structure. It's all about candlesticks. It's all about demand and supply. It's all about resistance, support, moving average. It's about the psychology, my emotions, my trade account, how much I have there, how much is my lot size, what is the risk reward ratio. The first trade I did lose, is it gonna mess up my psychology? Why should it mess up my psychology? If it doesn't, then I'm good. I'm going for the next. So usually, for those who've been following me, you will know I always put 3 trades, yeah, on all my practices. And if you've watched all my videos, there is never a time we came out in a loss. Though it's backtesting, it's practice, I'm so real that you will see me losing, but we'll still manage to get out of it. Yep. So and I post videos every day, so it's not like some days I don't post because they were not nice or whatever. I don't care about it being nice or not. I just want it to be clear, and if the audio is fine, if you can understand what I'm saying, then that's good. So right here we are getting we had a sell signal, then the next thing is a buy signal. This sell signal did not trigger. This was a sell signal, it did not trigger. We can still keep it on. Yep, it's never too late. No matter what is going on, you can still keep it on, because as we say, the market goes up and down. So it wanted to come down, then change its mind, and it's going up. So right now it's giving us a buy signal. It's very rare for the market to just give signals like that, but whenever it gives, those are actually confirmations. We go for it. This is not hedging, guys. This is actually not hedging. You might think I'm hedging here. I'm not. I saw 2 opportunities, buy and sell, and it's exactly what I'm doing. So you come in the market with an open mind. You don't come with a fixed notion that the market is going to buy and you want to buy. No. So right now we know that if we are buying here, this is where we're going to hit our target before we come back. So actually I did put my buy stop and my sell stop here. Wherever it triggers, we go for it. So and this is the loss. So it's a good risk reward ratio, guys. So this one is 2.44 and this other one is 2.19, so it's good. So let's go and see how. So you see how it is, guys. It remains here, it doesn't trigger at all. So one full day, no trigger. So this tells you we are on the right track. So why is it that it didn't trigger here, then trigger here? So as to like kick us out from both sides? No, it's because we did the right thing, and also the market also does not work like that. The market works in patterns, and when you understand those patterns, that is when you become a good trader. So for me, if it even triggers here, comes back and hit me out, triggers here, goes back and hit me out, I'll still be okay. I'll know that is the market, and I will not let go of my strategy because that happened. Why? Because it rarely happens. So let's go, guys. Still, the second day it still didn't trigger. So now it's giving us a signal that though it showed us it's gonna buy, it might sell. So we are not in a hurry because we kept our sell stops, and our buy stops waiting. So you see the third day still no trigger. Now it triggered on the fourth day, and as I said, guys, we are already it has triggered already the first trade, which was a buy, and let's see what happens. Okay, we are in profit, it's going. So now it has hit the moving average and we are already good in profit. Some people want to go out here, yeah, because obviously the market is going to breathe, maybe come back to draw down or to break even before either pushing up or completely going down. Yep, that is how it works. So it doesn't mean that because our take profit is up here, the market is gonna go up here and hit because we put it there. No, we manage our trades. We make sure we take whatever we can take out of the market, though the fear of leaving money in the on the table is always there. It makes us go greedy, and then what if it comes down here and kicks us out completely? Then we are fucked up. So what I do here is I get out 50% because it didn't actually give me a sell signal like it's gonna sell. So I'm still confident it will go up. I get out 50%. It might come back at a drawdown, but it still shows signals of continuous going up. Yes, as I said, guys. So now is when you can't have doubt that might be it might wanna completely go down. So at this level we bring our stop loss here completely and we don't mess with it, guys. Yep, because it gave us, this is actually a sell signal, so we are in completely in profit. We are completely in profit here, and with our 50%, actually we are in profit with our 50%. Even if we get kicked out, we are still in profit. So what I do here is I can get out 25% and leave 25% to continue. So other ways we can still bring up our stop loss right up here. Yep, see. So this is it, guys. It went up, came back, our 25%, it's out, but in profit. So it's a trade that we ended up being in profit. We ended up it's a profitable trade. So right now what we want to do is, we already saw the sell signal the market gave here. What we want to do now is check out if we can take this one here and bring it right up here, because in other cases, since this was a sell signal, we could have brought our sell trick, we could have brought our sell stop or this other trade right up here, so that whenever our stop loss is hit from the previous trade, then it triggers this other one immediately, which is still the same thing. We can still do it here. It's not late. This is also a signal that we can still follow. So it's still the same trade, guys. Still gonna come right down here. So here actually we are already in profits from our first trade. We don't want to give it out back here. We are being careful. So instead of entering like 100%, we can just get in with just a little. First we put our sell stop just say 10% or another 25%. Yeah, then we observe. So it's triggered another, and then now we are in profit. So right now we can add more trades to this one. We can increase our lot size, or we can just add more trades, and then we bring down our stop loss here, because this is actually another signal. So actually we are in profits now, but it's not time to take, it's to increase our lots. So clearly we are still in profit, guys. We are still in profit. So this is where we do the same thing we did here. We get out 50% because the market gave us a buy or a reversal signal here. We get out 50%, and we leave 50%. We bring our stop loss right here, so that even if we get knocked out, we still be in profit. So this is how we do, guys. It's not small, it's us being consistently profitable. It doesn't matter how much. That's just a secret. So we got kicked out, which is nothing to, we have nothing to regret. It is what it is. It's kind of a continuation of this same trade. As we know, when the market is set for here, it always makes sure it reaches here, no matter how. So it actually rejected this area, it didn't hit, so it might be going back here, but already we are good, guys. We will not wanna be greedy. We're gonna end here being in profit, and we can actually see, we will continue with another 25% to see if the market is going to go right up here. But if it was a day, if this was maybe a 1 hour or 2 hours time frame, or as a day trader, this should be enough for you for that day, so that you don't get into that gambling spirit. And that's it. You can chill and wait for the next day. So thank you, guys. See you again. I just don't want to make the video very long. We can continue from here tomorrow. Just let me know in the comment section. Thank you.